Is orange cranberry one of your favorite holiday combinations? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and these orange cranberry muffins are completely irresistible. They are sweet, tangy, fluffy, with a golden crispy top. So here are some top tips to achieving moist and tender muffins. Measuring the flour by fluffing and then measuring with a spoon ensures the flour will not become too densely packed. Sifting then removes any lumps. Using room temperature eggs and yogurt makes a big impact on creating a softer and more tender crumb. Additionally, using thick, preferably whole milk Greek yogurt helps to make the muffins moist and adds a rich, indulgent quality. Using orange zest, orange juice, and orange extract gives the muffins a bright citrusy flavor. Opt for navel oranges or Valencia oranges that are heavy for their size and have a bright orange color. Hand mixing is crucial to help prevent overmixing the batter, which can lead to dense and tougher muffins. Mix the dry and wet ingredients together until there are no visible streaks of the dry ingredients, and then let the batter sit for 10 minutes before adding the cranberries. This one step activates the baking soda and baking powder, which gives the muffins an incredible overall texture. Within the recipe post, I share instructions on how to use dried, frozen, or fresh cranberries. All three are absolutely fine to use, but each requires a little bit different approach. Shown here are fresh cranberries that I washed, patted dry, and then coated with 1 tablespoon of flour. My personal preference when baking muffins that are more tender is to space the muffin cups, allowing for better airflow while baking. Also, using a large cookie scoop ensures the muffins are evenly divided and makes the job so much easier. Once your muffin cups are filled, top the batter with the remaining 1/4 cup of cranberries, filling in any gaps. To make the muffins extra special, sprinkle the tops with a bit of sparkling sugar and then bake. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.